Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss a topic in class 8 mathematics, that is linear equations in one variable. In our previous classes we know what an algebraic expression is. So for example we have z plus z cube, 5x, 8x minus t plus 7, or 7y plus 3x plus 8y plus 9x, and so on and so on. These are algebraic expressions involving variables and constants. Now we will come to what are algebraic equations. By the name itself, equations, it means we have to equate it to something. So when we equate the algebraic expressions, we come to equations. That is, we put an equality sign between two expressions to get an algebraic equation. So this can be anything. 3x plus 5y is equal to 1. We have put equal to sign, so it is an equation. 7t is equal to 2. It is an equation. Also, minus 8x is equal to 6y. That's also an equation, because even if there is no constant in the right hand side of the equation, doesn't mean that it cannot be an algebraic equation. It involves an equality sign, it involves variables and constants, so we can definitely say that it is an algebraic equation. Same way, 7m plus 5 is equal to 10. If we note here, we have expressions and equations in the form of one or more than one variable. But now we will discuss what are linear equations. Now we will see what is a linear equation. An algebraic equation involving only one variable is called a linear equation. For example, we have an equation in the form of 4x plus 7 is equal to 8. First of all, we need to see if this is an equation or not. This involves a variable and this has an equality sign. So algebraic expression having an equality sign, it is an algebraic equation. How we term it as a linear equation? If we say in this equation, there is only one variable, that is x. There is no other variable like y, t, z other than x. So this is a linear equation. So only one variable and there is an equality sign, and this entire thing will be called as a linear equation. So we term 4x plus 7 is equal to 8 as linear equation. The expression on the left hand side, that is 4x plus 7, is known as LHS, that is left hand side, and the expression on the right hand side or after the equality sign is known as the RHS, that is right hand side, which is 8 in this case. Now we will see how to solve a linear equation. Try to solve a linear equation. When in an equation left hand side is equal to right hand side, it means the values on the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and it is only possible for certain values of the variable. Those certain values are known as the solution of the linear equation. So now how to solve a linear equation? We have 2t minus 9 is equal to 7. We have only one variable here and an equality sign, so this is a linear equation. How to solve it? We take only the variable term on the left hand side and take the any other term on the right hand side. So we keep the variable term on the left hand side and the other term here is minus 9, that is taken to the right hand side. Please note we have to address it with its sign. So we address minus 9 as minus 9, not as plus 9. When we take it to the right hand side, its sign will change. If it is minus 9 in the left hand side, on the right hand side it will become plus 9. Its sign will change, and this is valid for every solution of every linear equation. So minus 9 becomes plus 9. We get 2t is equal to 7 plus 9. So we get 2t is equal to 60. Now how to proceed further? We only need the value of t. So what we do is, on the left hand side, since we have 2t, we divide it by 2. Why? Because 2t divided by 2 gives us 1t, and thereby we can get the value of t. So, if on the left hand side we have performed an operation, the same operation will be performed on the right hand side simultaneously. So, if on the left hand side we are dividing it by 2, then on the right hand side also the term will be divided by 2. So, 2t is divided by 2 on left hand side, on right hand side 16 is divided by 2. So, we get on the left hand side 1t, on right hand side 8. So, our solution is t is equal to 8. 1t is equal to 8 is t is equal to 8. Now, we will see how to solve other types of linear equations.